Are you trying to decide between Calendly and Acuity? You're not alone. Many people want to know which scheduling tool is the best fit for their needs. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools. Both Calendly and Acuity help you book appointments easily. They save time and reduce back and forth emails. Let's start with Calendly. It's known for its simple interface. You can set your availability and share a link. People can then pick a time that works for them. It integrates well with many calendars and apps. This makes managing your schedule a breeze. Now, let's look at Acuity. Acuity offers more customization options. You can create different appointment types and even collect payments. It's great for businesses that need extra features. Acuity also has a client portal where customers can manage their bookings. So, what are the key differences? Calendly is straightforward and easy to use. It's perfect for individuals or small teams. Acuity, on the other hand, is more feature rich. It's better for businesses that require advanced scheduling and payment options. When it comes to features, Calendly focuses on simplicity. You can set up reminders and time zone detection. Equity has those features too, but it goes further. It allows for custom branding and intake forms, which can be very helpful. Pricing is another factor to consider. Calendly offers a free version with basic features. Acuity also has a free trial but generally requires a subscription for full access. In the end, if you want something simple and quick, go for Calendly. If you need more advanced features and customization, Acuity is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comprehensive